ट्रेलर और अपनी एंट्री, व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से सर?
पहला मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ, संजू बाबा एक 22 years बैक हैदराबाद आए थे, मुन्ना भाई MBBS वो टाइम पे, और तेलुगु सेम फिल्म डबिंग हुआ था, तो उसको बहुत बड़ा गाली मिलेगा, बहुत बड़ा, अरे भाड़ खाओ क्यों रे उसको ऐसा तीन चीज करा रहे हैं। तो आई बिलोंग्स टू आंध्र प्रदेश. I started my career 1978. I acted 1250 movies. Telugu, Tamil, Hindi, Malayalam, Kannada, and recently Nepali. मेरा भाई पूरी जगन्नाथ, हम लोग साथ में ऑलमोस्ट 30 साल से जर्नी कर रहे हैं हम लोग. हर फिल्म में एक डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ कैरेक्टर मेरे को चांस मिलता, तो ये फिल्म में इसको अमेजन फॉरेस्ट से लेके आया. सो अमेजन फॉरेस्ट से क्यों लेके आया अभी नहीं बोलता हूँ, 15 तारीख को बोलता हूँ. वो अमेजन से आया.
जोरदार तालियां अलीसा के लिए, ladies and gentlemen. Saab is here with us, the very handsome Wish sir, taking selfies with him और छुप छुप के इनकी तस्वीरें ले रहे थे. Sir, talking about wholesome entertainment, as I said, Puri connects with this movie. क्या लग रहा है सर, कहाँ तक जाने वाला है और क्या होने वाला है आगे?
Hello Mumbai and hello India. Thank you all of you for coming here to bless us and support us. I'll only say one line. I've seen the film like few days ago. I had this good feeling like जो मार मुंता छोड़ चिंता है ना, like having that मार मुंता and having good biryani, उसके बाद double का मीठा. That's the feeling I had after watching this film. So I thank each and every person from my team, production, say direction department, each and every member from cast and crew. Thank you so much. And Baba has supported us a lot. Ram Bhaiya has supported us a lot. Everything like August 15th is just 7 more days. I will talk on August 15th.
Yes.
Thank you.
Of course, sir. As I said, जाता है. But let me tell you, she is this super hard-working person. She's super passionate about Indian cinema. Give it up for Charmi Kaur ji. सुबह से she's been after each and every detail. She's looking into each and every detail, and this is how she is. जोरदार तालियां. Charmi, congratulations on this. As we said, हम बात कर रहे थे गाने के रिस्पॉन्स की, क्या होने वाला है. सीटियां तालियां बज गई. What do you have to say? First things first.
Thank you. Hello Mumbai. Hello everyone. बहुत ही खुशी हो रही है कि आज जो हमने इतने प्यार से एक पिक्चर प्रोड्यूस की है जिसका नाम है डबल स्मार्ट. 2019 में we were blessed with a huge blockbuster in Telugu, और आपकी कृपा है कि आज हम 5 लैंग्वेजेस में इसका सीक्वल डबल स्मार्ट आपके आगे लेकर आ रहे हैं. अगस्त 15 को हमारे साथ में और 3 पिक्चरें आ रही है. सारी पिक्चरें बहुत अच्छी लग रही है, तो थोड़ा थिएटर के लिए लफड़ा हो रहा है और नॉर्थ इंडिया में, लेकिन दैट आई विल लीव इट टू द एक्सपर्ट्स, अनिल धड़ानी जी एंड दुग्गल जी. दे विल हेल्प अस डू जस्टिस, एंड आई होप वी हैव good run in North India also. Thank you so much.
Amazing. Just one quick question. Puri sir, of course, he's a creative genius, but producer भी तो है. So how many times do you have to तालियां हो जाए उनके लिए. Welcome Kavya.
Thank you.
So good to see you, and you're looking as ravishing as ever, I would say.
Thank you. Shout out to my team for that.
Being here, standing over here, right in front of this team, when Baba is here, Ustad is here, working with them on this project that's really close to Puri sir's heart, and of course Charmi ma'am's heart. What do you have to say? Puri journey ke bare mein.
First of all, hello Mumbai. This is the first ever Telugu film that I'm promoting in my hometown. So I'm feeling very, very blessed at this moment. Secondly, I think I am currently, मुझे ऐसा लगता है इस वक्त तो मैं एक सपने में हूँ, जो सपना मैंने बचपन से मैं देखते आई हूँ. तो पहली बात तो एज एंड व्हेन आई ग्रू अप, मैंने संजय सर की इतनी सारी फिल्म्स देखी, तो टू से द लीस्ट, व्हेन आई लुक्ड एट हिम आई वाज ब्लैंक. और उनका सिर्फ एक गाना मेरे दिमाग में चल रहा था, वो रात अपन 2 बजे तक पिया। जब मैंने उनको देखा मेरे दिमाग में यही चल रहा था, मैं और कुछ आया ही नहीं। आई वाज सो dumbfounded at that moment. तो डेफिनेटली मैं उनके साथ मैंने स्क्रीन पे शेयर किया। I'm trembling while saying this because it's such a huge dream for me that I am living currently. And thank you Sanjay sir, you were a blessing and हमने पंजाबी में बात की and he made me very comfortable. So thank you and it is definitely a blessing कि मैंने आपके साथ screens पे share किया. Secondly, Ram, you are by far, I'm saying this out and loud, by far the best co-star I've worked with.
Wow.
And I have found a great friend in you. And thank you for everything. वही हो रहा है।
क्या लफड़ा भाई।
हे राम, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। बट नहीं, जेन्युइनली को-स्टार के साथ आपकी बॉन्डिंग ऑन सेट जो होती है बट वो इतना केयरिंग को-स्टार है कि ऑन द फर्स्ट डे ऑफ मार मुंता मेरी तबीयत खराब हो गई थी एंड एवरीबडी इज लाइक अब आप क्या खाओगे बिकॉज इट वाज अ स्टमक इन्फेक्शन। सो मैंने से बोला स्पिनच सूप एंड हैट्स ऑफ टू यू। आपके चरण स्पर्श करना चाहे she should be the charan sparsh charming. That's what she is because I really look up to her. She is a go-getter and she will do anything for her work and that's an inspiration for me. And not only that, she's an extremely nurturing, caring, loving person. And I know again, same day when I was sick, how she took care of me, I can never forget. Usually I always say कि I'm a director's actor, but I am a producer's actor too now. I want to be at least. So thank you for always doing everything for me. I love you.
वेलकम सर, थैंक यू सो मच। आप यहाँ पर आए सबसे पहले और हम सब के लिए ये लेकर आए हैं, यू नो, फर्स्ट थिंग्स फर्स्ट, व्हाट वाज दैट वन थिंग जो सबसे आसान थी या डिफिकल्ट था संजू बाबा को कन्विंस करना टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस फिल्म? Sorry? Was it like easy or?
Difficult thing is getting his dates.
And he had
working with
7
him is
films
very
lined
good.
up.
That's why I call her a
7
go-getter
films lined
also.
up.
Oh, that's an announcement. That's like
Yeah.
breaking news right now.
We thought of him, he signed 7 weeks. He said no dates and all, so we were worried and finally got his dates. And I'm a big fan of Sanju Baba. 4 decades experience, a versatile actor. He played all kind of roles. Thank you for doing this film, sir. I love you, sir.
Thank you so
We
much.
are happy we are launching him. It is his debutant film in Telugu. So we have the privilege of launching him in Telugu.
And if I may, Charmi ma'am, if I may, I've heard this is like the most expensive Telugu debut for someone, is it?
Woo!
She's not commenting on that. फिल्मों में काम किया है, कमाल किया है, उस्ताद बोला जाता है उन्हें। Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for उस्ताद राम पोतनेरी, ladies and gentlemen, जोरदार तालियां। We can do better. We can make some more noise.
Lovely. They'll probably share if I come on YouTube.
Yeah, we love you over there, of course. First pan-Indian film, officially,
Yeah,
can you
yeah,
say that?
yeah,
हाँ?
yeah.
और यहाँ पे ये धमाका होने जा रहा है. Talk to us about it. Everything.
Hi, good afternoon, Mumbai. Thank you all for being here first. And yeah, like I said, it all started off from YouTube, where we didn't realize that a lot of North Indian people were watching a lot of South films. And we had such loyal people who've been constantly asking us to release the film because they used to wait for a year or so. And now finally, this entire pan-India thing came about, and we were able to release it on the same day as well. And especially a film like Ishmat Shankar. So most of the film has been shot in Mumbai. Double Ishmat has been shot in Mumbai. So I was lucky to have witnessed the Ishmat Shankar madness here as well. You know, the smallest of things, like when I used to go to shoot, I used to come across people on the road and all of that, and everyone used to keep, you know, screaming Shankar and all of that. So very glad that we're able to release this film simultaneously up north as well. And yeah, like I say, this character is all about mental mass madness. So one small disclaimer, I do not endorse him. So he's, in case you want to follow him, to stand like that. But now after Puri sir came, you know, this entire coolness came about, and he's a complete trendsetter. Yeah, complete swag. And sir, it's always an honor working with you. And yeah, thank you for writing this character and this madness. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you so
Big Bull!
बाबा के लिए तालियां हो जाए यार एक बार जोरदार अल्लाह बनता है बाबा एवरी टाइम वी सी यू वो एक अलग ही बात हो जाती है यहाँ पे इस अवतार में आप आए हैं टॉक टू अस अबाउट दिस टीम एंड ऑफ कोर्स अबाउट बिग बुल
नमस्ते कैसे सब लोग मस्त है ना तो ऐसी कोई बात नहीं जो पूरी सर और शार्मी और सब बोल रहे हैं कि मेरे पास 7 पिक्चर है और डेट नहीं मिली पूरी सर हम लोग सब फैन हैं इनके एंड लाइक हाउ राम सेड दैट यू नो he kind of changed cinema and Telugu. He created that swag, that coolness and everything. And I want to thank Puri sir for letting me be part of Double I Smart Shankar and making me Big Bull. Thank you sir. Charmi.
सर जी
मैंने बहुत परेशान किया है
सर जी सॉरी
ऐसे इन पंजाबी के परेशान बहुत किए हैं यार लेकिन आई थिंक दैट्स द रीजन दैट दिस प्रोडक्ट कुड कम अबाउट इज योर परसिस्टेंस योर फोकस थैंक यू फॉर लेटिंग मी बी अराउंड
सर जी थैंक यू जी
और पंजाबी कुड़ी है जी शी इज डन ग्रेट जॉब एंड शी इज लुकिंग सो गुड और इसको एक चीज है इसको कुछ मार वार हमेशा पूछो तो मार ही लगता रहता है इसको
सर मार मुद्दा छोड़ चुका
अब मैं पूछा अभी कुछ हुआ क्या बोले हाँ कुछ यहाँ पे लग गया अरे ख्याल रखो अपना यार काम करो विशु थैंक्स थैंक यू बीइंग देयर एंड इसको मैं एक पिक्चर दे रहा हूँ so inspiration for you to lose some weight, you know. And of
प्रोडक्शन की
course,
इश्यूज की वजह से बेचारा मोटा हो
and of
गया
course Ram, you know. इतना मजा आया इसके साथ काम करके अभी तो चूजा लग रहा है लेकिन उस टाइम वो डबल स्मार्ट में मस्त लग रहा था लेकिन अभी एकदम अच्छा लग रहा है यंग लग रहा है छोकरा लग रहा है छोटा सा And it was a pleasure, it was an honor working with him, like a younger brother to me. And he's a good performer, he's a very hard worker. And we had a lot of fun while doing this film in Bangkok और यहाँ वहाँ हर जगह हम लोग ने मस्ती भी थोड़ी बहुत की I hope आप सब लोगों को ये पिक्चर अच्छी लगेगी and आपको मतलब you'll enjoy the film. I want to thank everybody again and Bhavi is there and Bhavi, thank you so much.
Sangeeta.
Thank you Bhavi. And बस अब उनके पास और कुछ भी नहीं बोलने के लिए. Thank
part of this film ladies and gentlemen एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं welcome ma'am also would like to invite on stage AA Films से of course the superstar Anil Thadani sahab is here ladies and gentlemen he's distributing the movie please sir आइए also RKD Studios से दुगल साहब is here ladies and gentlemen digital partners हिंदी में हमारे welcome sir it's time for a quick photo op yeah you do with this team thank you so much Ali sir बैठे हैं आप भी काफी मैम Puri sir please okay Puri sir the first question is for you from Amar from Mama Razi sorry Mama Razi right you know that okay Puri sir the first question
Check. Generally don't comment on box office, but as an actor, what I like is it's being shared with a lot more people. You know, you can share your content with a lot more people. And yeah, Bahubali definitely opened gates up north and everywhere. And Yeah, and this film is almost
Right.
But I really like Ranbir Kapoor also. He also played Sanju.
Right.
There's a connection there again.
Right. Cool. Thank you so much for
Thank
sharing
you.
that. Sanju Baba, this one's for you. Rahul from the Filmy Charcha wants to know. एक टाइम था जब आप रोमांटिक फिल्में करते थे. अभी आपके सारे फ्रेंड्स वो रोमांटिक भी कर रहे हैं, एक्शन भी कर रहे हैं. क्या फैंस आपको वापस रोमांस करते हुए देख पाएंगे आने वाले समय में, या यही जो एक अलग बोल्ड अवतार आ गया है?
अबे रोमांस, अबे आप क्या बोलते हो?
आप कुछ भी करो, हम आएंगे, सीटी बजाएंगे, ताली बजाएंगे.
हाँ, रोमांस भी कर लें अगर कोई अच्छी पिक्चर है, लेकिन हमें अपना जो जनरेशन है यार, वो मास के लिए काम करता था. तो हम लोग मासी हीरो हैं. अपन साजन कर लिया था एक टाइम, लेकिन बहुत अच्छी पिक्चर थी, गाने अच्छे थे यार. एक और कर लेंगे साजन.
चलो भाई, ये भी एक और अनाउंसमेंट हो गया है यहाँ पे. मिथुन फ्रॉम टेली चक्कर wants to know what attracts you so much to the South Indian films. This is your third project and it's again a negative lead. So what is it that
I don't know. I think मुझे भी एक it's a challenge for me also, you know, to be in a South film, and negative is a good space to be in. You know, बहुत कुछ करने को मिलता है, मारने को मिलता है, मार खाने को मिलता है. वो रेप कट गया लेकिन वो लेकिन it's good, you know. I mean, at least there's a little something to do for an actor, you know, after doing so many films.
Right. Thank you so much. Kavya, this one's for you. Rohit from Filmy Charcha wants to know, do you have any aspirations to work in a Bollywood film?
Yeah, I don't confine myself to one specific industry. I think I'm very open-minded as an actor. And if I like the script and I can justify the role, then I'd definitely do it.
Any favorite Hindi film actors? ऐसा पूछना चाहते हैं वो.
Many, but I guess for me also Ranbir Kapoor after Animal has been like a
Right.
stop fame.
Right. Charmi ma'am, this one's for you. Naveen from 24. मुझे लगा age लिखी हुई है, Naveen 24. What according to you makes a pan-Indian film a hit, and what more films are lined up ahead for Puri Connects?
Hello everyone again. So it's not about pan-India or South or Bollywood or English or Russian. I think Puri sir always says that local is global and content is king. And people are appreciating. It's so good to see people are appreciating good cinema, fun cinema, entertainment, masala. At the same time, there's amazing content, different genres. So I think it's we should not have those kind of boundaries.
Right.
And just enjoy cinema. And हमारी picture तो एकदम गली cinema है, गली picture है. And city mark picture hai. So I hope people enjoy this also on August 15th.
I'm sure. Second last question. Puri sir, this one's for you. Lipika ji wants to know, do you think now Rambhai is the new item boy of the industry?
Definitely.
What is
Definitely.
item boy?
Sorry?
What is item boy?
Lipika ji, would you like to throw some light?
That's so well done. So I asked this question. Can you as an
Ma'am, I remember meeting you. Yeah, how are you?
वो मुलाकात. No, sorry.
Yeah, please. Sir, मुझे अपन item boy.
Okay, one last question to everyone, and this is life में कब double smart बनने का try किया है? Namita wants to know. Have you sir tried ऐसा life में double smart बनने का कुछ किया होगा?
हर इंसान को रहता है वो. हाँ,
When was the last time and what did you do?
बहुत किया. कितना बनूं? 45 years हो गया.
बन ही रहा हूँ तब से. For you, Chami ma'am.
What is that?
Double smart बनने का try किया कभी?
ये जो जब भी उनका चिप को प्रॉब्लम आता है होता है, मेरा दिन भर होता रहता है. तो कोई जरूरत नहीं है, मैं इधर होती हूँ उधर भी होती हूँ.
और बड़े खूबसूरती से करती हो ये काम. पुरी सर, for you, double smart. What is double smart और आपने कभी try किया ऐसा बनने का?
I never tried, but I liked.
But as Rambhai said,
Yeah.
you brought that attitude in the
Correct,
industry.
correct.
आप तो खुद में हो सर. संजू बाबू, for you, डबल स्मार्ट बनने का आखिरी बार कभी ट्राई किया था?
मेरी लाइफ डबल ही नहीं, लेकिन
You're asking him.
मैं बोल रहा था मेरी लाइफ डबल ही नहीं, 100 स्मार्ट चक्कर है. बट आई लव इट, डबल स्मार्ट मस्त है.
Right. Ustad, for you.
Yeah, just played, no?
No, in real life.
In real life also.
Kavya?
I think for me, I'm going to first try to be smart and then double smart.
बढ़िया. ये
No,
best है.
I am too naive purpose. I can be a little too innocent in that sense. So first पहले smart बनेगा, फिर double smart.
Chronology को समझिए.
She just got scammed the other day, so.
I did get
That's wrong.
scammed the other day, so.
उस्ताद है
We want you on
और
stage.
बाबा
Round quickly. Sir, आइए. आप भी आइए. Yes.
जरा गाना लगाइए ना बिग बुल
लगाइए भाई, लगाइए, गाना लगाइए. Round 1 second. Sir, 1 second. I'll call you guys on stage. With the team and of course with our friends from the media and some, right?
Ustad and Baba are going to entertain us with one small hook step. They are not planned. This is a surprise to them. They didn't even know that we are going to ask this. So please be kind.
Sanju Baba, ladies and gentlemen, and quickly Rahul from the Filmi Charcha. आइए, जल्दी आइए. कहाँ हैं आप? Manya, come up on stage. हमें request आई है.